and hello to all the audience. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Aisyah Wafiqah Binti. Thus, ladies and gentlemen, there's a reason I'm here. And for now, I'd like to make a product pitch. Are you curious to what it is? Keep checking back. Do you guys feel hot after peeling onions or chili while cooking? Or have you found out that using a cutter board always hard? Well, I will introduce to you a multi-blender chopper. But first of all, before I go any further, let me explain what a multi-blender chopper is. It is often referred to as a batch board food processor. A food processor is a multi-purpose kitchen tool that can handle many shopping-related food prep activities. Way to overcome this problem is, with the passage of time and technology, you don't have to bother cooking anymore. Compared to manual cutter, chopper machines are bigger and stronger, like the video that will be shown after this. Is a blender truly necessary in the kitchen for meal preparation? Using a manual vegetable cutter requires time and physical work to chop vegetables. They also don't provide the same consistency and accuracy as electric chopper. However, electric choppers can rapidly and evenly cut a big amount of veggies with little to no human work. The epidemic caused many of us to use our kitchen in ways we had never done before. We began creating new meals for our family, but we quickly realized that the majority of these delicious dishes require a lot of preparation work, and there would be a mountain of unwashed dishes in the wash basin by the time we finish cooking. By using this multi-blender chopper, it could save time. You can save a ton of time in the kitchen by using a processor. Every small chore such as chopping, shredding, and cutting is handled. Due to its effectiveness, this gadget is a standard in a lot of homes and eateries. You can process batch of food fast even if your restaurant is busy. If you have a dinner parties a lot, you can prepare quickly without sacrificing flavor. It can be really stressful to prepare a big meal, and by the time you are done, you might not have stamina to serve the cuisine or have a great party. They use a fast rotating, sharp blade to cut food into tiny bits. The ideal tool for chopping vegetables, fruits, nuts, and herbs is a food processor. They may also be used to make kid-friendly snacks and meals for babies. By using this blender, it can give quickness and effectiveness. In the time it will take you to carefully dice one onion, a food processor can chop several at once, even if you have spent years perfecting your knife skill. Food processor cut and blend food significantly more quickly because of their high-speed operation. On the other hand, it could be less work. In addition to saving your time, food processor lessen the work required for all the different preparation and cooking tasks. Imagine cooking a sizable meal by yourself for a dinner party or family get-together, like a filling vegetarian soup or ratatouille. So, by using this equipment, it makes our life much easier and we don't have to wash our hands many times as a result of feeling hot after peeling onions. So, are you ready to revamp the way you cook after this? Don't let time-consuming preparations run another supper. Experience the impact that the multi-blender chopper can make by upgrading your kitchen today. Place your order right away to have access to an infinite creative culinary universe. This is because of cooking is like love. It should be entered into with abandon or not at all. By Harriet Van Horn.